Alright, today's 420. Happy 420. So, it's gonna be day one of doing demo and the start of replacing this floor here. So, for those who saw me create this cart, it comes in handy. I got all my tools and everything in here, all my shop vac, even my the dust collection. So all the stuff that all the debris and everything that comes up in here, it'll be easy to vacuum. Anyways, so this is where we're at. We got the barrier in there. I use some those plastic windows, insulation, those plastic ones. So the wife and daughters upstairs playing and everything, so they're doing their thing. I even put plastics on the vents. Being careful this time, learned a lot. So Pops, thank you for teaching me all these things, and the others, Uncle Matt. And for those who I haven't mentioned, but you guys have showed me a lot. So got the trim out of here already. The two big furniture that's out here is just a couch table and the lovely wrap couch. So we got a lot to demo here, but I figure I'll get it started. So here goes nothing. Wish me luck. guys, so I just wanted to wrap things up with the demo. So today, actually the camera died before I finished everything here in the bathroom, but I guess the last clip, you know, I was finishing up getting rid of the linoleum, and here it is. Everything's all out here in the bathroom. I think everything went smooth. No, you know, critical damages or anything. There's no cracks in the bathroom, thank God. But essentially, yeah, the demo's all done. All the tiles are here. Let's do the garage. Tiles and the fireplace is all out. And then, you know, all the flooring, the laminate flooring is all out too. I guess next step is get this all cleaned up. Look at these cracks and everything and make sure, you know, they're sealed, and level the floors. And then start looking at the new floor samples. Right now we're looking at some vinyl, so we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for checking me out. Peace out.